Balancing of redox reactions by oxidation number method. Students, you studied in your lower class how to balance the reaction. The elements or compounds which is present in the left hand side should be equal to right hand side. So we equate the left hand side elements with the right hand side elements. Now same thing we are going to do by calculating oxidation number for different reactants in the redox reaction. First we have to find out oxidation number for two of the reactants and two of the products. Say for example copper, the oxidation state 0. Why? Because any element in the naturally occurring state, it is 0. And then for nitrogen in nitric acid, plus 5. Already we learned how to find out this oxidation state. For example, hydrogen 1, this we have to find out X. For 1 oxygen, it is minus 2. So 3 oxygen, 3 into minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, X equal to plus 5. Now, same copper in the left hand side 0, we have to find out the oxidation state in the right hand side also. Now, for 1 NO3, it is minus 1. When you keep it as X, 2 NO3. So X minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore X equal to plus 2. So what is the oxidation state of copper in cupric nitrate? This is plus 2. And nitrogen we found in the left hand side. Same nitrogen we have to find out in the right hand side. Now for 1 oxygen it is minus 2. Here X minus 4 equal to 0 because 2 into minus 2. Therefore, X equal to plus 4. So, what is the oxidation state of nitrogen? It is plus 4. It is plus 4. Listen carefully, students. Now, the oxidation state of copper 0, it is changed into plus 2. That means the oxidation number increases. Therefore, this copper oxidized. This is identified as oxidation reaction. Oxidation means loss of electron. Loss of electron means this copper, it is losing how many electron? It is losing 2 electron. Same way, this nitrogen from plus 5, it is changed into plus 4. Plus 5 it is changed into plus 4. That means it gains how many electron? It gains 1 electron. So therefore this is a reduction reaction. Actual meaning of this, nitric acid reduced into nitrogen 4 oxide. So how many electron it gains? It gains 1 electron. It gains 1 electron. So the number of electron lost by copper, it is gained by the nitric acid to change into NO2. That is why this reaction is called redox reaction. So students, step number 1, we have to find out the oxidation state, 2 of the reactants and 2 of the products, and it should be different. Why it should be different? In that case only it is oxidized and reduced. If it is going to be same means neither loss of electron nor gain of electron. That is the meaning. Good. Now we have to cross multiply this. When you cross multiply this, this 1 electron is cross multiplied with copper and 2 electrons should be cross multiplied with nitric acid. So when I do this, I will get copper plus 2 HNO3. I am cross multiplying this. Then right hand side you can write as it is CuNO3 twice plus NO2 plus H2O. So first step we have to find out the oxidation state. Second step we have to identify whether it is oxidized or reduced. And third step we have to cross multiply this. After that you have to just balance the reactions. In an ordinary way you have to balance the reaction. Now I am going to balance this reaction. Listen carefully students. Everything right, copper 1 copper, nitrogen 2 nitrogen, but here right hand side 3 nitrogen. And oxygen here 6, this side 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. So now I have to balance right both sides. So I am going to balance the oxygen in the left hand side. How I am going to balance? If I put right 3 into 3 9, but hydrogen it will become 3. I cannot bring right 3 hydrogen in the right hand side. So what I am going to do? I am going to balance nitrogen as 4. That is 4 HNO3. It gives CuNO3 twice plus NO2 plus H2O. I am bringing right 4 nitrogen in the left hand side. When I bring 4 nitrogen in the left hand side, already 2 nitrogen is there. So next step what I can bring Cu plus 4 HNO3, CuNO3 twice, already 2 nitrogen is there. I am going to bring right 2 more nitrogen in the right hand side. So 2 plus 2 4, nitrogen is equal. So balancing hydrogen in the right hand side, Cu plus 4 HNO3, here 4 hydrogen is there. So CuNO3 twice plus 2 NO2. If I put right 2, then hydrogen also balanced. 2 into 2 4 and 4 nitrogen. Now 4 into 3 12, 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2. So everything balanced. So this is how you have to balance the chemical redox reaction by oxidation number method.